5 growth hacks in 5 minutes. Don't post these type of posts. I grew a new Instagram theme page from 0 all the way to almost 10,000 followers with no experience. Most people think growing social media accounts take years. And this may have been true years ago, but now in 2024, there are new methods to growing accounts very quickly. And you can gain thousands of followers in a very short amount of time. But you need to follow these tips other YouTubers don't really share, which I'm about to share with you for completely free, so that your next post looks like this. Because when you know the secrets that bigger accounts use to make their posts go viral, you will be able to consistently get thousands of views and grow to 1,000 followers in just the next 30 days without having to spend thousands of hours trying to get there. Hack number 1, don't post these type of posts. And what I mean by this is that the most common Instagram posts, the single photo, these type of posts are the least pushed by Instagram. Instead, post carousels if you want to post photos, because the reach on carousels have gone up in the past year. While Reels can get the most reach, regular posts get the least. Instagram just wants people on the platform longer to push them more ads, and they want people to post more content to help with this goal. And single picture posts just doesn't help as much as carousels and Reels. Hack 2. Targeted following. This is the easiest way to get followers. The way this works is by going to bigger accounts in your niche and following the people who follow those accounts. But you don't want to just follow any people. There are specific requirements to get the best results. You go to the least liked photo and then look at the people who like those pictures. Then look for the ones that have more following than followers. That means you will have a higher chance of being followed back, and these people are also the most loyal followers because they like the photo that had the least engagement. These people are also already interested in your niche, so that means they will automatically like your photos. This is what you want. Hack 3. Misspell a word. This is an easy way to get more engagement. You basically misspell or just purposely do something wrong to try to get people to correct you in the comments, which causes more engagement and the algorithm will push your video more. This is one of the slightly unethical tips, but it's super effective and some of the biggest creators do this. Hack 4. Keyword stuffing. No, I'm not talking about hashtags. Whenever you post a reel or story, type in what the reel is about and try to add lots of keywords. If your reel is about basketball highlights, type in the search terms that would be popular with that type of content, like man does an insane dunk, then flexes on opponent. Just fill it up with keywords in about 3 to 4 sentences. And you don't want to just add keywords by itself because certain algorithms will realize that you're keyword stuffing and lower your reach. Generally, if you add sentences around the keywords, you're safe. And this can help you get a bit more reach. Hack 5. Use AI. You can use AI in lots of ways to help your Instagram grow, from making a whole page of AI art or making AI memes, and using AI captions and video ideas if you create your own content. Speaking of AI content, click this video to see how I made a viral AI Instagram reel using AI.